Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get birthday notifications on Google Calendar. To enable birthday notifications on your Google Calendar, follow these steps. Open the Google Calendar app on your device, then make sure to allow notifications. So tap Allow Notifications, then hit Allow to confirm. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top left corner. Scroll down and look for the birthdays calendar under your calendars or other calendars. Make sure it's checked. Under your calendars, tap on the plus button. Choose event. Find and tap birthday. Now, scroll down to the notification section. Tap add notification. Then choose time. Set when you want to receive the notifications. For example, one day before, on the same day. You can add the name. And once you are done, tap on save. Now, let us sync contacts with Google Calendar. Then should birthdays appear, make sure they're saved in your Google Contacts. Open the Contacts app on your device. Now, let us add or update contact details with birthday information by tapping the contact. Choose Edit or the pencil icon in the top right to add the birthday and the significant date. Choose the date. Then tap on Set to make sure to label it as birthday. And then tap Save in the top right. Now, you'll get notifications for upcoming birthdays in Google Calendar. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.